Hello, I'm Charlie with Omega Cabinetry. We're going to spend some time going over the installation of our semi-custom cabinets here at Omega. With me today to assist in the installation is going to be Mike and Todd. They're going to go over the installation of the cabinets. They're going to show you how to get started with doing the chalk line on the wall to make sure that everything's going to be installed level and plumb. One of the keys to a proper installation to get things rolling correctly is going over the floor plan with the installers prior to actually placing the order of your cabinets. It's nice to get the area prepped for installation. If it is a remodel, you'll need to go back and patch any work that's been done on the walls with the prior cabinets. In addition to that, it's always nice to gather your materials so you're able to install the cabinets in the least amount of time. It's nice to have a high quality 4-foot level. Grab your assortment of different lengths of screws to screw our cabinets not only to the wall, but also our face mounting cabinet to cabinet. In addition to that, shims will be needed with our face frame installation so that the cabinets can be plumb and true from front to back of those cabinets. A nice part of Omega cabinets that we offer here is we actually apply a face frame label to the back of the cabinets. The face frame label is going to tell you the exact nomenclature that we use to identify that cabinet and where it's located in the run in the kitchen. This is very important when we're talking about finished ends or different accessories that are installed into that cabinet, in case you might have two cabinets that happen to be the same width and height. The final step before cabinets get installed on the wall is removing both the drawer boxes and the doors from the cabinet. The drawer boxes can be removed by squeezing attachments on the bottom of the drawer box and simply removing them from the cabinet. Then we move on to the doors. As you open the doors from the cabinet, there are two screws that actually hold that door into place, both on the top hinge and the lower hinge, and then the cabinet door can be removed and placed off in a safe location later to be installed back on the cabinet after the installation is complete. After you've placed your order and you've received your cabinets, first thing you need to do is come in and clean the area of debris. And after that, you come in, you're going to go to the corner of the kitchen and you're going to mark a spot on the wall that's 34.5 inches high. 34.5 inches high is the standard height of our base cabinets. The reason we start at 34.5 in the corner and we work our way out from that spot is that way that you're able to shim those cabinets up as you go along the run versus shaving part of the cabinet off of the bottom. So what we have here is we have a level that we place here. This is a self-leveling apparatus that we have in the middle of our kitchen. If anywhere in that run the floor is uneven or it has a spot where it goes up or goes down, we'll notice that as we're measuring out from that point on the wall. If one of those spots happens to be higher, we'll just move our level up to that position. We'll then go back and we'll snap a chalk line to make sure that all of our cabinets have a level surface when we begin our installation. The next thing you need to do after locating the 34.5 inch high dimension on the wall is to go back and locate all of the studs with a stud finder. This is a very critical step in installing cabinets on the wall because they're a key anchoring point in the installation of our cabinets. The next key step in a quality cabinet installation is doing a dry fit of your kitchen prior to installing the cabinets. And now we're ready to go ahead and mount the cabinets to the wall. The first cabinet to start with in your run is always the corner cabinet. We're going to make sure that this cabinet is plumb and level coming off the corner. Therefore, the face frame of all the cabinets are on the same plane as you continue out in both the left and the right hand run of your cabinets. In doing this, you might have to install shims coming off the left hand side of the cabinet to bring the face of that cabinet up to the 34.5 inch dimension that we have marked on the wall behind the cabinet. Once you have the left-hand side set and it is plumb and level on the left-hand side, you then can move to the right-hand side to make sure that that side is also 34.5 inches high off the floor and that your face frame is plumb and level from that point. Using clamps to join adjacent cabinets is extremely important on keeping them on the same plane and level from front to back when installing face frame cabinets together. Just after clamping the two cabinets together, go back and put your pilot holes through the first face frame to prevent the stiles and rails of that cabinet from cracking. Make sure to only go through the first face frame of the cabinet, then the second cabinet is where the screw is actually going to bite and pull those two cabinets together and make a secure, tight bond between the two. Mount each base cabinet using the proper hardware. Installing our cabinets with nails will void your warranty. It is extremely important to use the proper screws to anchor them to the studs in the wall to ensure a quality installation. Our blind base corners that we offer through Omega cabinets do not need to be pulled from the wall 3 inches. We have already designed them to be secured to the back wall and have ample space for you to be able to install adjacent cabinets into it. However, if they do need to be pulled from the wall, they can be pulled a total of 3 inches from the back wall to allow for proper installation. On your blind corner swing out, if accessories are installed into that cabinet, it is extremely important to allow extra clearance both to the left and to the right of this cabinet so the doors can open properly to get those installed accessories to operate properly. Please see our specification guide for the appropriate clearance on our installed accessories on our corner cabinets. The next cabinet that we're going to install is the base pull-out filler organizer. This is a frameless cabinet that we offer through our semi-custom line. This cabinet will come with filler strips in the same box as the base filler pull-out that you will actually tape together and mount to the side of the cabinet. These strips are used to pull the cabinet out so they're on the same level as the scribe that's on the adjoining or adjacent cabinets. After installing the strips to the side of this cabinet, screw in from the sides of the adjacent cabinet into the C frame to hold it into place. After you do this, you will actually go back and then you can remove the strip off the face of the cabinet so you will be able to open and operate properly. Moving on from that point, we're going to move to the right of the blind base corner. This cabinet is a base 24 with an extended style on the left-hand side. An extended style is all built as one cabinet. So instead of being just a 24-inch width on that cabinet, it has a 27-inch wide face frame that makes it easier for your installer to mount to the blind base corner. After installing the base 24 in the corner next to the blind base corner, we now move on to installing where the oven's going to be. We need to leave enough room between our face frame to allow for that 30 inches of space. So we measure from the face frame to the adjacent spot on the floor that's 30 inches apart. Across the back of the cabinets, because of our scribe that we have from the face frame to the side of our cabinets being a 1/16 of an inch, you need to allow for 30 and an 1/8 inch of space between the back of the two cabinets that are both to the left and to the right of the range. After completion of installing the base cabinets, it's now time to move on to the wall cabinets. After you've installed the base cabinets, once again go along and mark the stud location of all the studs along both the left and the right hand run of your wall cabinets. We've gone ahead and cut a 19.5 by 19.5 piece of scrap wood to be able to assist us in installing the wall diagonal in the corner. As you can see here, they've set the wall diagonal up on those 19.5 by 19.5 pieces of scrap wood to assist them in holding that cabinet in the correct place as we actually mount it to the studs in the wall. After we've now installed the wall 2439, it's time to leave a space for a 33-inch wide valance to go across between the wall 2439 and the wall 839 that's going next to it. With ordering this, it comes from the Omega line being 37 inches wide. You will need to trim it down to 33 inches as the floor plan calls for. We now notice that we need to install a wall 839, 33 inches from the previous cabinet. Wall 839 has a 3-inch wide filler that needs to be attached to the left-hand side. The easiest way to attach those two pieces is by installing the wall filler 339 to the side of the cabinet prior to mounting it on the wall. After you've attached this, now make sure as you're mounting it on the wall you are leaving the 33-inch wide gap that the valance is going to create, and then make sure you're screwing through the hang holes both in the top and the bottom of this wall cabinet to get it secured correctly to the wall. Now that we've completed the left-hand run of the cabinets, it's now time to move back to the wall diagonal located in the corner of your kitchen. Next to the wall diagonal, we're going to install a wall 2739. Once again, we need to clamp the face frames together, securing them tight with the clamps before we go and pre-drill to put the screws in to mount those tightly together. Next to the wall 2739, we're now going to install a wall 3024 that's going to be above a microwave cabinet. After installing this cabinet, it is key to ensure that we are keeping a consistent 30-inch dimension between the face frames of the cabinets to the left and to the right of this microwave section. Our microwave dimension needs to stay at 30 inches wide, but remember, because of the scribes on the cabinets, the distance between the two boxes of those cabinets needs to be slightly larger, being 30 and 1/8 inches wide between the exterior boxes of the wall 2739 and the wall 1539. The final wall cabinet on the right-hand run is going to be a wall cabinet 1539. Once again, make sure that you're installing it plumb and level with the cabinets both to the left of the microwave and to the right of the microwave to ensure that you're not running downhill on your installation. In doing this, once again, clamp the face frames together, pre-drill the holes, and then secure that not only to the adjacent cabinets, but to the wall behind it through the 3-inch hang rails both on the top and the bottom of that cabinet. The very last cabinet in the run is going to be a utility cabinet 18 inches wide, 96 inches tall. It's always a good idea to hold it up next to the wall cabinet that was installed prior to this, marking on the edge of that utility cabinet where you need to screw through the side of it to attach it securely to that wall 1539. Once you've pre-drilled the holes through the face frame of the cabinet, now clamp the base cabinet and the utility cabinet together with their face frames. One of the final steps before you install the molding on the cabinets, reassemble the cabinets, placing not only the doors but the drawers back into the cabinets. This is very easy to do. You can just go back and screw the hinges back onto the face frame of the cabinets, and the drawer boxes are easily reinstalled. Now that we've completed with the installation of these cabinets and all of the doors and drawer fronts are now reinstalled onto these cabinets and leveled and aligned, it's now time to move on to the top molding that goes along the top of all of our wall cabinets. The first thing that needs to take place is on the left side of this wall cabinet we need to remove the scribe associated with our wall cabinet. The reason we need to do this is it was ordered without a minimal scribe on the left hand side of that cabinet. You're going to start with a chisel. Hold the chisel level with the line where you want to mount the molding on the top of the wall cabinet. Take the chisel, put it on that line, and bump it softly either with the palm of your hand or with the end of a soft hammer. This is going to dent into the scribe on the side of that cabinet, and then you will proceed to notch out that cabinet from the top of it, removing that small scribe that's associated with the left-hand side of that cabinet. Once this is done, you are then able to mount molding across the side of that cabinet and not have a gap between the face frame of that cabinet and the side of the cabinet. Another trick of the trade is when doing mitered joints, you can go back with your touch-up pen that came with your touch-up kit and color in the end of those mitered joints as you're putting them together. With this being done, when those two miter joints come together, there is color on those miter joints, so you're not able to see into those joints as easily as if you wouldn't have applied that touch-up pen to that inside joint. Once you get that miter joint touched up, you can go back and put the two joints together and continue to tack that rail on down the line until you've completed with the rail around your kitchen. The last thing in the installation of your kitchen is applying the toe kick cover. In doing so, cut it to the necessary length you need to cover the available toe kick in the kitchen and simply tack it into place using your brad nailer as you go along. The last thing in adding that finished touch to your cabinets is to go back and add the decorative hardware to both the drawers and the doors. After the decorative hardware has been installed, make sure to go back and vacuum out the cabinets for a nice, clean, finished look appearance to the end consumer. Last but not least, place the shelves into the cabinets. It's these small details that will let the customer enjoy their kitchen.